Here we have a light sensitive switch, is this one, which turns on and off the light bulb according to light which is outside. Currently it's turning on and off because the light bulb is in front of it. This is Hepol 220 volts AC Senzor fotocelula, that's in Romanian. It has three wires, the blue, brown and the red. 220 volts are coming from this black cable. The white one is going to the light bulb, and the sensor has to receive a phase and a neutral, and the bulb has to receive a phase and a neutral, and out of those two of the bulb, one is interrupted. So the blue is the common, blue enters into this one, then to the sensor, and from this blue it also goes to the light bulb. On the brown, power enters into the sensor, and on the red, power exits to the light bulb. So the switching is done between the brown and the red. This also has an adjustment here on the bottom, this white one. Lux plus and lux minus. If it is towards the plus, then the light turns on sooner when there is a little bit of light outside. And if you rotate it to the minus, then the light bulb will power on only when it's darker. So if I rotate that little potentiometer to the left, so there is light outside from the bulb above, and that means it's daytime. So at daytime light is hitting the sensor and thus it's not giving power to the bulb. But if I create a little bit of shade, we have to wait a little bit, then it simulates darkness and the light bulb should power on. And yes, it's on. It received light and it automatically powered off. Set it to the center. Now it turned on. Now it's in the center. It receives light, so it's daytime. It should power off, and it is off. Create a little bit of shade, and yes, now it's quicker. It turns on sooner. Let's see, is this enough? I think not enough. It also has a mounting plate with a screw into that little thing and into that one. This has to be mounted either here or there, and put the screw there into the center, and then you can attach it to the wall somewhere. It's even mentioning up, so the sensor has to be on the top. It has two screws just in case you want to take it apart. It should be mounted this way with the white portion above so that water will not enter into it. The light is off at daytime and the light is on at nighttime automatically. So that's the light sensitive switch, which is automatically powering on and off a light bulb.